Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to create some flashcards. On the screen you can see that I've got Quizlet pulled up. If you just followed that link, Mr. Caro created the 36 multiplication facts that you will need to know. And I'm going to show you how this will work. You can use this website to practice, and you can use this website to create your own flashcards. We gave you index cards when you came for orientation. So when you show up here, when you click on the screen, it actually flips it back and forth. So the choice is yours. You're just going to put each thing on an opposite side. So I'm going to write 2 times 7 on one side. And to show the correct answer, I click the card on the screen, and the answer is 14. 2 times 7, 14. We can use those to practice. And you can see on the screen, if you just keep clicking the card, it's just going to keep flipping it over and over and over. But underneath, you can hit next. Okay, now it pulls up and it just says 18. So on one side of the card, I'm going to write 18. I click it, it will flip the card over. And the fact here is 9 times 2. Got my flashcard created. Show one more. Next, it says 12. Click to flip. And 4 times 3. 4 times 3. Oh, it's 12. Might end up upside down. Not really that big of a deal. I want to tell you something about using flashcards that you are going to need to know. Once you have your flashcards made, you've got them here, maybe upside down. Either way, when you look at it, you need to create 3 piles as you practice. A yes pile, a no pile, and an pile. Let me show you. So I've got 4 times 3. 4 times 3 is 12. Okay, so I got that correct, but it wasn't automatic. So I'm going to put it in a maybe pile. Then I have 9 times 2. 9 times 2 is 18. Boom. I'm going to put that in my yes pile. 2 times 7 is 9. I got it wrong. So I'm going to put it in a no pile. So you should have 3 different piles. A yes pile, an pile, and a no pile. When you go to practice, take the and the no's and keep practicing those over and over and over and over. And the ones that you have, that you did really well on, you don't need to practice those as much. So in this video, I wanted to show you how to make flashcards and then how to practice with them once you have them all completed.